Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, and today we are at Red Shale Ridge Vineyards. According to their website and print literature, Red Shale Ridge Vineyards is located in beautiful Hegins, Pennsylvania. They not only offer a variety of red and white wines, they also offer a great selection of delicious fruit wines. The owners invite you to taste test their great selection of varied and delicious wines. This wonderful winery has events throughout the year. Check their website for dates and times. At the time of this video, the winery was open Tuesday to Saturday from noon to 7 p.m. and Sundays from noon to 6 p.m. Don't forget to explore outside. There are many beautiful sights to view throughout this wonderful scenic countryside. Hi, I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking. Welcome today. Hi, I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, and today we are at Red Shale Ridge Winery. Hi, I'm Luann, and today we are at